When you start investing, three words always pop up: stocks, bonds, and ETFs. But what do they actually mean, and which one should you choose? Don't worry, we'll break it all down in plain English so you know exactly how each one works. Welcome to Grow My Savings. In this video, you'll learn what stocks, bonds, and ETFs really are, the pros and cons of each, and how to know which one fits your goals best. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of that business. Your money grows if the company does well and its stock price rises. Some companies also pay dividends, cash payments to shareholders. But here's the trade-off. Stocks can be volatile. The value goes up and down daily, so while stocks historically return around 10% a year, they also carry the highest risk. Bonds are loans. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or the government. In return, they promise to pay you interest regularly and return your full amount when the bond matures. Bonds are usually safer than stocks with steadier but smaller returns, historically around 3 to 6% a year. That makes them popular for conservative investors who want income and stability. ETFs, short for exchange-traded funds, are like baskets. Instead of buying one stock or one bond, an ETF lets you buy a whole group at once. For example, an ETF could hold 500 stocks, like the S&P 500, or a mix of stocks and bonds. ETFs trade on the stock market just like individual stocks, but they offer diversification and usually low fees. In short, ETFs give you a balanced approach without needing to pick winners yourself. So, quick recap of the differences. Stocks equal ownership, high growth potential, but higher risk. Bonds equals loans, safer, steady income, lower returns. ETFs equals bundles of assets offering diversification and flexibility. Think of it like this: stocks equals growth, bonds equals stability, ETFs is balance. If you're young and can handle ups and downs. Stocks may drive your growth. If you're more cautious or closer to retirement, bonds provide safety. And if you want a simple, beginner-friendly option, ETFs are often a great starting point. So, which do you think fits your style best? Stocks, bonds, or ETFs? Comment below. I'd love to hear your answer. To sum up, stocks offer growth but with higher risk. Bonds provide steady income and safety. ETFs give you diversification in one simple package. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video, where we'll cover how to pick your very first investment.